Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I love talking about nature. Today is Monday and the weather is absolutely perfect for a walk. The sun is shining brightly in the clear blue sky. It is very warm outside, so I don't need a heavy jacket. I am wearing my favorite yellow dress because it matches the sunlight. Look at the birds singing in the green trees today. Many people are sitting on the grass in the Central Park. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, which is very comfortable. I feel very happy when the sky is so bright and clear. Summer is my favorite season because of these beautiful sunny mornings. I usually drink cold lemonade when it is hot like this. Do you like walking under the bright sun in the morning? Children are playing with a ball and laughing near the fountain. There is no wind at all, so the air is very still. It is a great moment to take some beautiful photos outdoors. The flowers in my garden look very thirsty in this heat. I will water them later this evening when it gets cooler. Sunny days always give me a lot of energy for work. My students also seem more active when the weather is fine. Everything looks colorful and bright under the direct golden light. I am planning to visit the beach later this afternoon. The water in the sea is probably warm enough for swimming. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is very healthy. Please remember to wear a hat if you stay outside long. Sunscreen is also important to protect your skin from the heat. I hope this wonderful weather stays with us for a week. Let's enjoy this calm and bright Monday while it lasts. Nature is truly amazing when the sun greets the world. I am sitting on a bench and writing my new diary. Life feels simple and easy on a day like this. Tuesday morning brings a completely different atmosphere to our small town. The bright sun from yesterday is hidden behind big gray clouds. It is not raining yet, but the sky looks very heavy. The air feels a bit cooler than it was on Monday. I decided to wear a light blue cardigan for my walk. Everything looks a little bit darker and more serious today. Silver clouds are moving slowly across the wide horizon. Sometimes I like cloudy weather because it is good for reading. The bright colors of the flowers seem softer without the sun. There is a strange silence in the park this morning. Most people are staying inside their houses or offices today. I can see some white fog near the river in the distance. The temperature dropped to 18 degrees within just a few hours. It is not cold, but you can feel the autumn coming. I am drinking a cup of hot tea instead of lemonade. Clouds are like giant pieces of cotton candy in the sky. I wonder if it will rain before the lunch break starts. The birds are not singing as loudly as they did yesterday. Darker clouds usually mean that a storm is approaching our area. I like the smell of the air before the rain begins. My cat is sleeping on the sofa and doesn't want to play. Many people carry umbrellas just in case the weather changes again. The street lights are already turning on because it is dark. I find this gray landscape very peaceful and quiet for thinking. Some people feel sad when they don't see the bright sun. However, clouds are necessary to bring water to our dry earth. I am watching the sky from my large balcony right here. Nature is preparing for something new and very exciting. I hope you have a warm sweater with you today. Let's see what happens next in our weather story. It started to rain early Wednesday morning while I was sleeping. I woke up to the sound of water hitting my window. It is a very rainy day, so the streets are wet. I am wearing my yellow raincoat and tall rubber boots. My bright red umbrella helps me stay dry during the walk. Small puddles are forming on the gray asphalt of the road. I see children jumping in the water and having great fun. The rain is heavy, but it feels very fresh and clean. Everything in the garden is getting a good, long drink. The trees look much greener after the dust is washed away. I have to walk carefully because the ground is very slippery. Car drivers are using their wipers to see the road clearly. I hear the rhythmic sound of raindrops on the metal roofs. It is the perfect time to stay at home and cook. I am making a delicious vegetable soup for my big family. Some people call this umbrella weather because everyone has one. The sky is dark gray and there is no sunlight. I love the misty view of the mountains behind the rain. Rain is very important for farmers and their future harvest. My dog refuses to go outside because he hates getting wet. I feel very cozy inside my house with a warm blanket. The sound of rain helps me focus on my English lessons. Sometimes thunder makes a loud noise in the far distance. I am not afraid of lightning because I am safe indoors. The air smells like wet grass and fresh forest soil. Most shops are empty because people prefer staying at home. Water is running down the pipes and into the drains. I am watching the raindrops race down my glass window. Rain brings a special kind of magic to our busy city. Always remember that rain helps all living things to grow. The rain stopped, but Thursday is a very windy day. A strong breeze is blowing from the north this morning. The wind is shaking the branches of the tall trees. I am wearing a thick scarf to protect my neck. My wavy brown hair is flying everywhere in the air. It is quite difficult to walk against the powerful wind. Colorful leaves are dancing in the air and on the ground. I saw a man lose his hat in the middle street. The clouds are moving very fast across the open sky. I can hear the wind whistling through the small cracks. It feels much colder because of the high wind speed. Wind turbines on the hill are spinning very quickly today. This energy is clean and very good for our planet. I see some kites flying high above the local park. The wind is drying the wet ground after yesterday's rain. I have to hold my bags tightly so they don't fly. The lake has small waves on its blue surface today. It is a good day for sailing if you are brave. I prefer to stay in a cafe with a hot chocolate. The wind makes a lot of noise in the chimney. I am watching the dry leaves spinning in the backyard. The temperature is only 10 degrees due to the cold breeze. My windows are rattling a little bit from the pressure. It is interesting how the wind changes our moods so fast. I feel like the wind is cleaning the old city air. Some birds are struggling to fly in the right direction. I am glad I have a warm coat for this weather. The sky looks very deep and empty without any clouds. Nature shows its power through the invisible force of air. Keep your jackets closed because the wind is very sharp. You won't believe what I see on Friday morning today. The temperature dropped below zero during the dark night. Soft white snow is falling from the silent winter sky. The whole world looks like a beautiful fairy tale page. Everything is covered in a thick layer of white powder. I am wearing my red wool hat and warm gloves. It is very cold, so I can see my breath. The snow is crunching under my heavy winter boots now. I am walking to the forest to see the frozen lake. The trees are wearing white coats made of pure snow. It is very quiet because snow absorbs all the city noises. Children are building a big snowman in their front garden. They are using a carrot for his nose and coal. Some people are skiing down the small hills nearby. I want to make a snowball and throw it gently. The air is very dry and biting my pink cheeks. I see beautiful ice patterns on the windows of houses. It is the first snow of the season for us. Winter has finally arrived with its cold and white magic. I am dreaming of a fireplace and some roasted chestnuts. The sun is trying to shine through the snowy clouds. Snowflakes have different shapes if you look very closely. I am shivering a little bit despite my thick coat. Driving is dangerous today because the roads are very icy. Most people are using salt to melt the ice quickly. I love how the moonlight reflects on the white snow. Winter nights are long, but they are very peaceful. I am going back home to drink some hot cider. My house feels like the warmest place in the world. Snow makes everything look clean, new and very bright. Saturday brings the most beautiful end to our weather week. The snow melted quickly because the sun came back out. A light rain started falling while the sun was shining. Suddenly, a giant colorful rainbow appeared in the blue sky. It has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. I am standing outside and looking up with a smile. The air is incredibly fresh after all the weather changes. This week showed us how nature can be very different. We saw sun, clouds, rain, wind, and even white snow. I learned that every type of weather has its beauty. The rainbow is a bridge between the storm and peace. I feel very grateful for this amazing experience in nature. My students are learning new words for all these phenomena. Weather is a great topic to practice your English every day. I am taking a picture of the rainbow for you. The birds are back and they are singing very happily. The flowers are opening their petals to the warm light. I am planning a picnic for tomorrow with my friends. We will bring sandwiches, fruit and some orange juice. I hope the weather stays calm for our Sunday trip. Learning English is like watching the weather change and grow. Sometimes it is difficult, like a storm or cold wind. Other times it is easy and bright like the sun. You just need to keep going and enjoy the process. Thank you for listening to my stories about the sky. I am very happy to be your English teacher today. The rainbow is fading away slowly as the sun sets. The evening sky is turning pink and very soft orange. Have a wonderful weekend and stay warm and happy. Goodbye for today and see you in the next lesson.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.